Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking. As you see, I have a lot of green vegetables here. It seemed like anywhere I went on the TV today or my iPad, there was this recipe for green goddess salad. You remember in the 70s, maybe 80s and 90s, there was a green goddess dressing. Well, I thought it was like that, so several times I watched it and come to find out it's nothing like that. Anyway, I thought we would try it and sort of, like I do, sort of turn it our way. Because actually, the one they had was with cabbage. Just little teeny pieces of cabbage and little teeny pieces of everything, and it ended up being more of a dip. So I thought we'd go ahead with our green goddess salad. We're going to make a green goddess dressing first and see how that goes. And all you're really interested in is a healthy dressing. And that's a little bit of spinach. A lot of other parsley, one clove of garlic, and this is a little teeny bit. It calls for chives, and I had a few chives in my garden that's just now coming in, so a little few chives, and a bunch of the green off of a bunch of onions. I love to try new things like this. But sometimes they don't. I guess everybody has to adopt it to their way. Yeah. Okay. And about a half a cup of sour cream. Half a cup of mayonnaise. Now, if you don't want to use the sour cream, you can also use a yogurt. And this is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And some salt, teaspoon of salt, and I think that's all for the dressing. It is a very pretty dressing. I love this blender instead of a mixer because this, a couple weeks ago when I made hummus, I've seen them agitate hummus for as much as 5 minutes, and this one got it completely smooth in a minute, so I do rather love it. I'm going to put a few dill leaves in it. Dill makes anything just a little bit fresher. Okay. I think we'll let this sit for a while. See how it tastes. Oh, yeah, that's very good. Yeah, that's very good. Little rice wine. I forgot about that. And I can see where it needs it. It's a teaspoon of little white rice wine. Okay. We are through with our dressing. See, it doesn't make a huge amount of dressing because I don't like to have a lot of dressing left over. I don't know if you do or not, but it does taste extremely good. It's so fresh in the mouth. I think we need something fresh in our mouth right now. But we're back, and after I had to try the salad dressing a couple times just to make sure it's good. It's really good. Now, the base of the other salads is the cabbage, but I'm just going to make it part of the base because I like cabbage, but not too much as a salad base. So, depending on how much you like, I love cabbage, but it seems like raw cabbage is not good to me. Now, also, the characteristic of this salad is the pieces are very small. And it's nice to have a new salad. And everything is green, from right down to the salad dressing. I wonder if you've tried this salad yet, or how many times have you seen it on television this week? I know I've seen it 10 times. And every one of the recipes was different. Of course, mine's different too. Today is the 4th of March at my house, and it's 75 degrees. I even have the door open. Monday, it's going to snow. That's what happens in this part of the country in March. 75 one day and snow the next. Cucumber down, cucumber, okay. And so that it won't be so quite as strong as an onion, it's a shallot. Now, we'll put just a little bit of spinach in it. And maybe spray. Now, if you'd rather go all the way with the cabbage, go ahead I'm just going to use spring in mine. Now I think I got it all covered. Yep. Of course, the last thing is our avocado. Well, let's see. Yep. I think that is all. Looks like a good mix, doesn't it? It's a pretty mix. I think I'll get a little bowl of it. I tell you, let's call this almost a green goddess salad. That dressing is wonderful. Yep. It's that good. If you're a salad lover, you're going to be in seventh heaven, because this everything in it is wonderful. I've enjoyed today. I've enjoyed actually the salad dressing more than anything, but you can't beat that salad either. That's good. So have a good evening. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. Subscribe. Ring that bell. See you soon.